Hello friends, welcome back to my channel NS Automation. Today in this video we are going to see about alerts, the type of alert and the practical demonstration how we can handle the alerts in Selenium WebDriver. So आज हम अब इसकी वीडियो में देखेंगे कि अलर्ट को हैंडल कैसे करते हैं Selenium WebDriver में और इसका एक प्रैक्टिकल एग्जाम्पल भी देखेंगे. So before starting this video, I will request the person who are new or the guys who are new to this channel, please subscribe my channel. So let's see about the alert. So basically alert is a small message box which display on a screen notification to give the user some kind of information or ask the permission to perform some kind of operation. Like I can give you one example. If you want to delete some person or something from your system, it asks you some pop-up with a message, do you want to delete this? So basically it's asking you the permission or it's asking you something before performing that operation. So that are alert. Alerts means you some warning message in front of you before performing any operation. In general we have two types of alerts. First is the simple alert and second one is the prompt alert. Simple alert. So first of all talk about the simple alert. Simple alert basically a information message with a small accept button or you can say a OK button on that. So the simple alert where you can see only two things. First is the message or the warning message which is displayed over that pop-up and the button to accept that function as I have displayed in this image, right? So this is the simple alert where you can only see the message and the accept button means आप इस बटन को क्लिक करके इस अलर्ट को एक्सेप्ट कर सकते हो. दैट मीन्स आप इससे सहमत हो, राइट? सो दिस इज द सिंपल अलर्ट. इफ आई टॉक अबाउट द प्रॉम्प्ट अलर्ट, देन द प्रॉम्प्ट अलर्ट मीन्स you need to provide some input value to this alert and then after that you can use the OK or cancel button, right? So basically in prompt alert this is a one step more than that. There you only see the message and just click on OK or cancel, you will get the. So if I talk about the prompt alert are the alert that ask some input from the user and the Selenium WebDriver can enter the text or something inside that using the send keys, right? So these are the prompt alert when user need to put some value before accepting or cancelling that alert. So now we'll see how many methods are there in Selenium to accept the alert or perform operation on the alert. So first is the method dismiss. This is the method if you want to cancel the alert, you can or you can say that if your user want to use click on the cancel button of the alert pop-up message, so he can use the method dismiss. बेसिकली जैसे ही आप कैंसिल पे क्लिक करना चाहते हो और कैंसिल पे क्लिक करने के लिए Selenium में डिसमिस मेथड का यूज़ करते हैं. कैसे करते हैं वो हम देखेंगे बेसिकली. तो बेसिकली सिंटेक्स जो होता है अलर्ट का वो होता है driver.switch2.alert.dismiss means with the help of the driver we are switching to that alert. So the switch method is the Selenium method where with the help of that method you can switch to that anything which you want, like switch to dot alert where you want to switch. So basically ड्राइवर क्या करेगा, स्विच करेगा अलर्ट पे एंड देन वो डिसमिस कर देगा यानी कैंसिल कर देगा उस अलर्ट को. इफ यू वांट टू एक्सेप्ट दैट पॉपअप अलर्ट यू कैन सिंपली यूज driver.switch2.alert.accept. So basically this is the accept method if you want to click on a OK button of the alert pop-up. If you want to click that you need to use the accept method of the alert. Right now one more thing is that get text. So if you have seen in my presentation PPT, I have provided the image where you have two things, right? One is the additional message and another is the OK or cancel button, right? So how can you use this getText message? driver.switch2.alert.getText, right? So basically getText is the method to get that warning message or the pop-up message from that alert, right? Now I have told you about the prompt alert. Prompt alert is the alert where you can provide some input to before accepting or cancelling that alert. So how can you use that thing to provide some value in that alert? You can use this send keys. And how can you use this send keys method? driver.switch2.alert.send keys. So basically this is the method this is the way you can use the method. So basically this is a demoguru99.com application where I have customer ID section. So I will put some ID over here, right? Now I will click on submit button. When I will click on submit button, a pop-up will appear here, right? So there is three things are there. Do you really want to delete this customer, okay, or cancel? Either I can accept this alert or I can cancel this alert. If I cancel this alert, you can see this page remains the same, but when I accept this alert, so you will see that the page get refreshed and the customer ID which I have provided is deleted, right? Now you can see here I have created a class alert test, and this alert test I am creating a function, alert function, where I am writing the code, right? So basically alert message where here I am using the driver.get, I am calling that URL, that maximize that URL. After that I need to provide the customer ID and with the help of the send keys, and then I am clicking on the submit button, right? So basically I am using driver.find element by css.submit, and then I am switching to the alert. So alert equals to driver.switch to .alert I have used. Now here I have stored this alert in a alert variable. So basically in Selenium we have a variable called alert, and where we are storing this alert. So how can you storing this alert? Driver.switch to .alert. I'm storing this alert into the alert variable, and with the help of this alert variable I'm using the get text, printing the get text, what the get basically message over there, and then I'm verifying the assert equals to verifying this alert with the expected condition, and then I'm accepting that alert. So alert dot accept. Basically this is how we can use the method to accept the alert, right? So how can I accept this alert? Let me run this code. So now you have seen this, I have run this code, and you can see that the alert is accepted on the web application, and the message which I have printed, the alert message, this is, do you want to really, this message has been printed in the console, is mine console. So this is how you can run run your code and handle the alerts in WebDriver.